children, when you want to grow a plant, what things come to your mind? Surely you will say good soil. Then what is soil? Soil is the uppermost layer of the earth in which plants grow. Soil serves as a storehouse for water and minerals needed for the growth of plants, and it is essential to all life forms on the earth directly or indirectly. Lesson 9. Soil. This is science. The question is, how is soil formed or formation of soil? Soil is formed by breaking of rocks and minerals into tiny particles. It is a continuous process called weathering and takes thousands of years to form a small amount of soil. It has natural forces: weathering, heat of sun, heavy rain, cold weather, wind, and rocks of trees. Break rocks into tiny particles. The rocks thus take the shape of sand. This sand is called soil. The soil also contains organic matter formed by dead animals and plants that gets mixed with these tiny particles. It is humus that makes the soil fertile. Do you know that the soil contains air and water? Can you prove this? Or give an activity to show that soil contains water? Try in the presence of elders. Unique garden soil. Metal pot with lid and gas stove. Put garden soil in the pot and cover it with lid and heat with low flame in gas stove, and after a few minutes you will see droplets on the lid that shows water present in the soil. Soil contains air. Unique garden soil. Jar and water. Put soil in a jar, pour some water over it. You will see bubbles coming up from the soil that shows soil contains air. Kinds of soil. Rocks are of different size and colors, and so soil has different colors, size, and particles. Some particles are rough and others are fine. So what are the different kinds of soil? Sandy soil, clayey soil, and loamy soil. Let us describe the different kinds of soil. Sandy soil. Sandy soil is made up of rough particles of sand. It is large in size and lot of space between them. Water can pass through this space. Plants do not grow well in this soil. Such soil remains barren and dry. This soil is found in deserts and seashore. It is used to make cement and glass. Clayey soil. Clayey soil is made up of very fine particles. It is also small that we can hardly see them. Clay can hold a lot of water, but very little air. Clay is good for making pots, toys, etc. A few plants can grow in clayey soil. Loamy soil. Loamy soil is a mixture of fine particles of sand, clay, and humus. Thus, loamy soil is rich in nutrients. When the plants die in the clayey soil, their leaves, twigs, shrubs, etc. in the soil and rotten. Some minerals present in the soil. The dead animals too join these two and makes the soil dark and fertile. Loamy soil can hold enough water and air for plants. It is the best type of soil for the plant's growth. So which is the best soil for growing plants and why? Because of all those reasons I just explained. Soil is formed in different layers. From top to bottom, each layer is different. The top layer of soil is soft and dark, color and is called topsoil. The second layer of soil is light color and full of broken rocks pieces. It is called subsoil. And the bottom layer is made up of solid rock and is called the bedrock. Plants mostly grow in topsoil. You can try layers of soil. You need garden soil, glass jar water, small wooden stick. Put garden soil in a glass jar, then pour water into a jar, then stir the soil and water, after which allow it to settle. After some time, soil will settle in different layers. Larger particles of stones will settle at the bottom, then grains of sand, and over it layer of clay, and then lightest humus floats on the top of the water. Uses of soil. Plants grow in the soil. Water and mineral from the soil. Farmers grow crops in the soil. Manure is rich in humus, which makes the soil fertile. Soil is home for many animals like insects, worms, snakes, snails, and burrowing animals like rats and moles. Thank you.